What happens when you bring together art, science, curiosity, and a whole lot of people willing to ask questions? You get something a little unexpected. You get the Creative Lab Festival. For 6 weeks, the RRBCEA at the Empress Garden became a space where people could slow down, explore, play, and discover new ways of looking at the world and themselves. At the heart of the festival was The Art of Perception, an immersive exhibition exploring a fascinating idea that perception isn't something that simply happens to us, it's something we actively create, every moment, every day. As visitors stepped inside, they found themselves on a journey through 7 interactive zones.
My name is Vedika Deshmukh and today I am here at the exhibition which is called as The Art of Perception. I am a psychology student, so I was very much interested to know about neuroscience and how our brain reacts to certain sounds, to certain information, and how visually we can adapt those information and which part of our brain reacts to it, and how we just judge people by their faces, but we actually should know that we cannot judge a book by its cover. So this was all about it. It was a very informative exhibition that I've ever seen.
Some experiences made people laugh, some made them pause, some challenged what they thought they knew, and a few left people wondering whether their brains had been tricking them all along.
It has been very knowledgeable to the kids, my daughter and her friends, where generally they read it in the textbooks, but now here in the different studios they are able to see visually and also experience it, what they had studied, and this has been a really new experience for them.
When I came here, I was shocked to see many things which my brain couldn't understand. When I looked over there, there was an image of a skull. But when I went near it, it was a lady sitting with a mirror.
What made the exhibit truly special wasn't just the installations, it was the people. Children pulling their parents toward the next activity, students debating what they had just experienced, friends comparing answers, grandparents exploring alongside their grandchildren. Every day brought new faces, new conversations, and new moments of discovery.
The way they combined science and art, it was not only feeling like it was a normal place where we are studying, but it was a place where I was learning things in a really fun way.
One of the good things I felt about this is that it was meant in such a way where you experience things first and then try to understand about your brain or like how it works in reality.
And the experience did not just stop at the exhibit. Throughout the festival, weekends came alive with workshops, talks, demonstrations, performances, and hands-on activities. The excitement quickly spread beyond the garden. Stories about the festival appeared across newspapers, digital platforms, and media outlets, helping the conversation reach thousands of people across the city and beyond.
Yeah, I saw an Instagram post stating that there is an exhibition going on.
I just came to visit the garden and I was not supposed to visit this. And then I asked some of the peoples that where are you going? They told me that there is some neuroscience based art exhibition is there. And we just give it a thought that we should visit it and just give it a try.
As the festival entered its final weekend, the space buzzed with energy. Stalls and pop-ups filled the venue with creativity, conversation, and play. Mental health games, art-based activities, crochet flowers crafted by hand, 3D printed curiosities, interactive experiences for visitors of all ages. Every corner offered something to discover, something to create, and something to share.
Hi, I'm Sakshi from Chaurangi Bazaar, and this is my third year with ARISA doing CLF, and every year I have seen this community growing and coming together and supporting all the kind of businesses, all kind of arts, and it's been an amazing experience and I'm looking forward to next year already.
Since we work in mental health, promotion of the helpline has been our primary agenda to come to this event, which I do believe we have reached to so many people here. So yeah, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Shireen Chipthanawala, and I am an art therapist, and today what we're doing over here is multiple activities all related to art therapy, but also art engagement activities. And kids can do it, adults can do it.
And then came the final evening. As the sun began to set, people gathered one last time. A circle formed. The drums began. One rhythm, then another. For 6 weeks, the art of perception invited us to look a little closer, to question what we think we know, to experience the world with curiosity, and to discover that perception is not just about how we see the world, but how we choose to engage with it. This was the Creative Lab Festival, a celebration of art, science, community, and the endless possibility of seeing things differently.